If you're struggling to find products to dropship on Facebook Marketplace, then you need to watch this video because I'm going to show you the simplest way to find the best products to dropship onto Facebook Marketplace. What's up, Paul here from dropshippingtitans.com, where I teach regular people just like you how to start your first successful dropshipping store. I've been talking a lot lately about Facebook Marketplace dropshipping, and that's because I haven't found a simpler way for beginners to get started selling physical products online. Without a doubt, Facebook Marketplace dropshipping is the simplest side hustle I've ever found. In fact, I've had many students going through my Facebook Marketplace dropshipping course who are getting incredible results really fast with the program. So I thought I would give you today a little bit of a sneak peek inside my course. Now, I do teach my students about 5 different ways to do product research inside my course, but I want to show you one of the simplest ways that I teach that works really well and is completely free for you to do. But real fast, underneath this video is a link to the waitlist for my course. I am going to be opening it up for enrollment really soon. You need to get on the waitlist to get the link to join early because it's only going to be open for enrollment for a few days before I'm shutting it down for enrollment after that. If you sign up now at the link down below, you'll get on this page, click here where it says click here to download, because what you'll actually get right away is a free ebook email to you that will give you some more of my best Facebook Marketplace dropshipping tips, some more strategies, plus you'll be on the waitlist for the course once it becomes available. All right, let's get to some product research. Now, one of the most difficult things about dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace that makes it very different from other websites like selling on eBay or selling on Amazon is that Facebook doesn't tell us what products are selling well on Facebook Marketplace. When you're selling on eBay, when you're selling on Amazon, that information is very easy to find, but Facebook, they don't give us that information. But what I found is that if you go onto these other websites like eBay, like Amazon, and you find items that are doing really well there, then chances are they're also going to sell well on Facebook Marketplace. So in this video, we're gonna head over to eBay, we're gonna find some popular items, and if they fit our criteria, then we're gonna list them for sale onto Facebook Marketplace. All right, so I'm over here on eBay. I'm not actually going to be dropshipping products from eBay onto Facebook Marketplace. In general, I'm not a fan of using eBay as a supplier because eBay is a marketplace. If you look at any of these listings here, they're all sold by different people. You don't really know what the reputation is of this person. Yeah, there's a rating, there's a feedback system. But I think it's better to buy from a big box store like Walmart.com because they have much more guaranteed shipping. It's just easier to deal with them and to scale up than just using eBay. But we're still on eBay, and this is why, because eBay gives us information about popular products. So if we find people on eBay that are dropshipping from Walmart onto eBay and they have items that are selling really well on eBay, then there's a really good chance those items we can sell from Walmart onto Facebook Marketplace. Let me show you what I mean if that's too confusing. All we're gonna do on eBay is search for a brand here that only Walmart sells. So Walmart has a list of brands that only they sell, is exclusive to Walmart. So we know that if we come in here, I'm gonna search for Mainstays is one of those brands. If I search for Mainstays, everyone here that's selling a Mainstays product, they either went into a Walmart store and bought a bunch of Mainstay products and now they're selling them out of their garage, but more likely the people selling here are drop shippers. They're drop shipping from Walmart onto eBay. So we are able to now identify other drop shippers, but they're drop shipping on eBay. So let me open up some of these sellers right here. So let's look at this one. And you can see that this person right here, they are a drop shipper. They're drop shipping from Walmart onto eBay. Now, I'm not interested in anyone who has less than about 50 feedback, so I'm gonna skip this person. Let me try to find a seller with at least 50 feedback here. Here we go. This person has 50 feedback, and usually the more the better. So let me try to find one with a bit more, but a good rule. Yeah, here we go right here. So this person is selling a Mainstays product. So they're drop shipping Walmart to eBay, and they have over 13,000 feedback. So they're gonna have a lot of information that's going to be helpful for us. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna click on their name right here. That's going to bring me to their store. By the way, you don't have to have an eBay account to do this. Anyone can just go onto ebay.com and walmart.com, do this. It's completely free to do. And that's why I think it's just one of the simplest ways to start doing product research. So they have items for sale here. You can see right here, they have 4,000 items. So I'm gonna open that up. And coming in here, what I'm looking for are products that are already selling really well. Now, what you need to do is you have to start opening these up one by one, and it will actually tell you how many times these items sold. So this one is sold 4 times right here. I have no idea what this is. I have a feeling though that this person might also be drop shipping from other suppliers. So this is what you need to do. If you find a product that's selling well, this one sold 4 times. Let's see if this is being sold on Walmart. So all I'm gonna do is scroll down to the description, copy part of the description and search for it. And oh, okay, here we go, Walmart. Here it is right here. So this is the product. It's sold 4 times. So this is also an item that might sell well on Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you want to really make sure that the products that you're listing are going to do well, then something else I would do is see when it sold. So if you come here, you can click on when it sold, and you're looking for items that sold recently. So today's February 24th. 2 of these sold yesterday and the other 2 sold not that long ago. So this is a popular product right now. People are buying this right now. So if I list this same exact product on the Facebook Marketplace, there's a really good chance it's going to sell now as well. Now here's the funny thing. I have absolutely no idea what this product is, and that's okay with dropshipping. We are not like some niche store that's going to specialize in one thing, like inflatable kayaks, for instance, and where if you do that, you might want to learn a little bit about inflatable kayaks. With Facebook Marketplace dropshipping, you're selling on a marketplace. So you don't need to niche down. You don't need to sell just inflatable kayaks. You can sell a wide range of products and not even really know what they are. So we just found one successful item here. Let's close this one out and see if we can find some other ones. This one, the person is selling only sold once. Yeah, if it sells once, there's a good chance it's going to sell well on Facebook Marketplace as well, but I'd rather see items that are selling multiple times to really increase my chances that they are selling well on Facebook Marketplace. This one has not sold, this one is not sold. All right, so I found an excellent product right here. It's this engine oil, right? It has sold 10 times and it's been selling a lot recently as well. And here's the exact same product on Walmart as well. So this is definitely one that I would sell based on just the volume and how recently it sold. Now, another question people I know are gonna ask is, well, what should I sell it for? Should I sell it for the same price as on eBay? And no, when you're selling on Facebook Marketplace, the margins can be much higher. People are willing to pay more money for products on Facebook Marketplace right now than they are on eBay. And there's a few reasons for that. One of the reasons is because it's not as saturated. There are not as many drop shippers on Facebook Marketplace, but really it's more because of the algorithm and the way that Facebook Marketplace shows products to customers. With eBay kind of creates more of a race for lower prices, where Facebook Marketplace, that doesn't exist. So you don't have to sell this for the same price as a seller on eBay. You can definitely mark it up more. So that's a great winning product I found right there. Here's another one. It's sold 6 times and yeah, it's selling a lot recently. Let's see if we can find it on Walmart. So again, I'm gonna highlight the text and search for it. There it is, it's in stock. So this is one I definitely wouldn't sell for $5. Even these cheaper ones, you can put a healthy margin in there and still make some good profit selling this item. Now this does take a little time. Of course, coming in here, you have to constantly open up a few of these, but it's worth it. All you have to do is find a few of these winning products, get them into your store, and they can sell over and over and over again. So let's go back to the beginning. I'll show you the process again. So I search for the word mainstays, and then my first goal is really to find another dropshipper here on eBay. So there's this person selling this one. They have a lot of feedback. So then I'll open up their store. I just found a successful dropshipper. I'm going to come to their items for sale right here, and I'm going to open these up and see which ones are selling successfully. Now, sometimes you get lucky because sometimes it will tell you right here, 141 sold, 284 sold, 99 sold. So you don't even have to open them up. You can find that information right here and look at all of these products that you can dropship onto Facebook Marketplace, find them on Walmart or wherever else they're being sourced from, and you can really have a ton of winning products listed up onto Facebook Marketplace. So without a doubt, product research is the most difficult part about dropshipping. It's a skill that you're gonna have to master. You're gonna have to learn how to do it, then master it. But just like any skill, you can and will get better at it with practice. That's why I spend so much time inside my course teaching my students how to do product research and giving them different techniques so that they can find the next product and find the technique that works best for them. Now, like I said, the course is currently closed for enrollment, but I'm opening it back up pretty soon. And when I do, I'm also going to be releasing some free trainings. So even if you don't join the course, you're gonna get a ton of value out of these free trainings that I'm going to be releasing. But the trainings, they're not gonna be here on YouTube. You have to be on my email list to get them. So to get on my email list, to get on the wait list for the course, and to get the free training, all you have to do is click the link down below. You'll land on a page that looks like this. Go ahead and click the button, enter in your name, enter in your email. Right away, I'm going to send you a free ebook. You'll be on the wait list for the course, and you'll also get an email about the free trainings once I have a date for them. And even if you're just kind of thinking about joining the course, you're not sure yet, you still want to get on the wait list because the course is only going to be open for a few days and then the enrollment's going to close for it. So you do want to make sure you're on top of it and just get notified in case you are interested at that time. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel for more videos about dropshipping and making money online. Thanks so much for checking out the video. See you guys next time.